everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to replace an image in Kinemaster. So I have 3 images in Kinemaster that I had imported last time, and I want to replace this image into another image. It's really simple to replace the image. You can click on the image, then click replace here, and after that you can choose on these folders. I will choose in folder download, then I will change it to this image, and your image has been replaced. If you want to close the yellow border here, you have to click on anywhere, then the edit menu has been closed. So this is how to replace an image in Kinemaster. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.